Hey guys, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover the deleted videos from Sony camera. So when you done that, when you delete, you must stop using the memory card immediately. And because if you continued to use this memory card, will override the physical space where you deleted data still exists. So first make some recovery impossible. So it makes recovery possible then. So the official method is by the Sony memory card file rescuer. So if you type in Sony memory card file rescue, then here you will see Sony memory card file rescue. Uh, then hit here memory card file again, and you will be directly here in this website. Now also make sure that you need to know basically that video files on Sony cameras are often fragmented across the card, which basically recovery tools struggle to piece together. So you can also use different tools like disk drill. It's dedicated for advanced camera recovery module, specifically designed for Sony cameras. Then we have also PhotoRec, a powerful free open source tool that is highly effective for raw format like Sony Sony format RW. Now here on this page, memory card file rescue, here you will see, if you scroll down a little bit, some what this basically is. Then here at the bottom here you have next. If you click on it, you will be redirected to the new page where you download basically this software. And yeah, then hit next. And just like that, here you will type in your model name and identification number or downloading code, which is written in the operating instruction enclosed with the memory card. When you do that, just confirm, and then you can download the software. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.